Number 5, the sales tax rate in Fort Worth, Texas is 8.25%. We want to find the tax charged on a purchase of 27.41%. So finding the tax charged. So if we have, and this is kind of going back to what we've been doing, we have the whole times the percent. That's going to be the tax rate. That's going to equal the part. That's going to be the actual amount of tax. So we have our 27.41. We're going to multiply that amount times 8.25%, or as a decimal, it's going to be 0.0825. Just moving that decimal 2 times to the left. And that's going to give us the amount of tax that is charged. So we're going to clear this, and we're going to do the 27.41 times 0.0825, and that gives us $2.26. That one will not round the 6 up, so we'll say $2.26. Okay? So the amount of tax, the part, is $2.26. Number 6, sales tax rate in a city is 7.26. How much sales tax is charged on a purchase of 6 headphones at $68.24 each? What is the total price? So we have 2 parts. We want to know the amount of sales tax, and then we want to know the total cost. So that means we need to add the tax with the total cost. So in this case, we have a couple steps. So we have 6 headphones at $68.24 each. So we need to figure out that total. 6 headphones at $68.24. Let's find out how much we paid for the headphones first. That will give us our total cost, or just the cost of the headphones, that is. 68.24 times 6, so $409.44. So we have 409.44. All right, so we're going to take our total cost and multiply it times the tax rate, which is the 7.26. As a decimal, move it over twice, and so it's going to give us 0.0726. All right, so this 409.44, we're going to multiply that by 0.0726. All right, so that gives us a tax amount of $29.73. We'll round that. So the tax is 29.7, and that's 25, but that 5 will round the 2 up, so it's 29.73. All right, so this is the tax amount. This was the total amount of the headphones, the 409. So we're going to need to add those two together to get our total. So if I add 409.44 here, that gives me 439.17. 439.17. Okay, so part 1 wants to know what was the sales tax. So that's the 29.73. 29.73. And then the total price, so after adding the tax to the total cost, we get $439.17.